Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna walk you through on how to call audio or video call on WhatsApp. So if you want to do audio call or video call on WhatsApp, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is to open up your WhatsApp on your phone. So there are two ways at which you can call on WhatsApp. The first thing, you can just tap on the call log, then tap on the plus icon at the right top of the screen, tap on it, then take you down to your phone call, which is the WhatsApp call log. Then I can just simply search for the particular person you want to call. So I'm just going to search for this particular person. Alright, as you can see, then I can just check the person. So right here in between in front of the profile icon of the person, I can just tap on the phone icon or the video icon. So I tap on the video icon, it means I want to do the video call. Then it is the phone icon, it means audio call, and that is how you can make audio calls on WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.